ITV. Come on in.
Honestly, where is he?
Guess when I'm in Italy, so there he is, he comes again.
Turn left.
How cool is that? This is gonna be the best road trip ever.
What have I said yes to? Hands on the wheel when you go around the corner.
Go, Gino!
All the crockery smashed.
Okay. Is everybody all right?
Yeah, we are fine.
Gino de Campo, Fred Siriex and I are on a culinary adventure across Europe.
Stand back, please, Fred.
We'll be showcasing the best our cherished homelands have to offer.
I'm a proud Italian. I'm using Mediterranean oyster.
Come here, you English! You want your freedom!
In our trusty home from home on wheels.
Gino! Go down!
We'll be seeking out the finest ingredients, the very best vino,
It's paint stripper.
It's nice.
It stinks.
and the most stunning locations.
Wow. Come on, look at this.
Only the best will do.
Right.
In Sorrento. Have you guys ever been around here?
My first time.
This is where I was born,
Right.
okay? Look at the view. We got the island of Capri.
Wow. This is beautiful. I mean, really beautiful.
I'm gonna take you in places that you've never seen before.
Turn left.
Gino de Campo has invited Fred and me to Campania in southern Italy to show us the sights and the best of his region's food and wine.
That voice is seriously irritating.
We're gonna see all the lemons in Sorrento. I'm gonna show you the buffalo mozzarella. You train.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, shh. Go, Gino.
It sounds too good to miss, but with Gino, there's no such thing as a free lunch.
Listen, guys, there is something I haven't told you.
Oh, my God.
Ready?
We are here because my best friend is getting married.
What? I haven't got a suit.
Have you got a shirt?
No. I'm on freaking holiday. You want me to cook at the wedding?
What's happened?
You mean what's happened? Look what you've done. Gino. Okay.
We need blue tack.
Blue tack?
Well, someone to stick it. Like
we need a driver.
By the indicator work.
Slow down. Ready? Honestly.
Guarda.
That's it.
Oh my God, a
Let's
big
go.
bus. Oh, we got a bus in the back. We got a bus in the back.
Can't you drive and talk at the same time?
No, because I get excited. I wanted to show you my home
Hands on
country.
the wheel.
The wedding, it seems, is in just 4 days on Gino's home island.
Well, this is a volcanic soil. We got the Vesuvius in the back,
Yep.
you know, the volcano.
Yep.
And then the other things that we get is all the minerals from the sea.
The soil and climate provide the perfect growing conditions for the world's most famous lemons.
Buongiorno. Valentina? Ah, ciao.
For brother and sister Luigi and Valentina, this is a labor of love.
God,
What's
what is he
with
doing
the-
there?
It's Michele. During the winter, it's totally covered. In summer, in spring, we open.
Wow.
During the winter, the lemon don't like to stay under zero.
So they're very special lemons.
Of course.
Yeah, a bit like...
Yeah.
How long have you been cultivating lemons here?
Only 300 years.
300 years.
It must be pretty good.
Can we get some lemons?
Of course.
Yeah?
As well as supplying us with a few crates of limoncello, there's no doubting Italy's natural beauty, but it's pretty clear the road trip we've been